So your parents. Where's Ronnie? Ronnie.
That light is very helpful.
And I need the lady to turn down the music. Let me find the lady.
Let's do this, Kat.
Come closer.
You want to reorganize the people or are we okay?
Well, welcome. Thank you for being here this evening to witness this union. I'd like to have everybody come in close. You can hear we've got a lot of noise around here, so we can just build a little nest of love and support around Wylie and Katrina as we join them together in marriage. I'd like to especially welcome Ronnie and Kat Adam, who traveled all the way from Scotland to be here. Yay! They've been married for 45 years and are definitely an inspiration to Wylie and Katrina. Thank you for being here. I love little intimate weddings like this. I just feel like it is so much more about the couple and the commitment they're making to each other, and so this is really lovely to have everybody so close here. This ceremony not only marks the beginning of the marriage commitment, but it's a commemoration of the love that they have nurtured and shared together. Today they embark on a new life together built on the foundations of trust, compassion, and mutual respect. Can you guys actually hear anything? Oh yeah. Okay, I'll try to project a little bit more.
Louder.
May you all, yeah, okay. May you all remember and cherish this day with love as we forever bind together, Wylie and Katrina, as husband and wife. Marriage is more than a simple exchanging of rings or combining of material assets. It's a powerful shared commitment. While today I will legally bind you together, the truly important bonds we form today are largely invisible to the world, existing primarily in the unfilled corners of your heart. Author Edmund O'Neill said, when two people pledge their love and care for each other in marriage, they create a unique spirit unique unto themselves, which binds them closer than any spoken or written words. Marriage is a promise, a potential made in the hearts of two people who love each other and takes a lifetime to fulfill. Marriage is one of life's greatest gifts, and it is a blessing to make these promises with your soulmate. As you hold on to one another, you will find deeper levels of joy, happiness, and peace together. Your marriage is the foundation upon which you will build the rest of your lives, and despite any adversity, will always be there to sustain you. Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu said, to love someone deeply gives you strength. Being loved by someone deeply gives you courage. As you stand here today before one another, take note that after you speak your vows this day, your lives will never be the same. Marriage has a capacity to deepen, challenge, and strengthen you and your relationship in ways that you never imagined. The joy you'll find as you pursue your shared lives, along with the strength and courage you derive from deeply loving and being deeply loved, will fuel you to face any challenges that you encounter. On your journeys together, keep your spouse in the space of highest priority in your hearts. I now invite you to publicly speak your commitments to one another. Wylie?
It's going to take some glasses. Kat, I promise to love you, to be your best friend, to respect and support you, to trust and appreciate you, to work together with you to achieve our goals, to accept you unconditionally, and to share life with you through the years. I know that some days will be hard, but I also know that there will be days filled with laughter and happiness. May our lives be ever entwined, our home filled with peace, and our love deeply strong.
Wylie, there are so many things that I love about you. I love the way you're always so thoughtful and caring to those around you. I love the way I always have your full attention when we talk to each other. I love your patient and consistent love for Grace and Emma. And I love your unusually large collection of antique woodworking tools. And I know one day you're going to build us a beautiful cabin in the woods. Wylie, I promise to adventure with you always, to say I love you before falling asleep each night, to hold your hands through the good times and through the bad times, to be loyal and faithful, and to always put you before all else. I promise to always do my best to give you more than I take, even when it comes to ice cream. This is my sacred vow to you, and equal in all things.
As we celebrate this union today, it is important to keep in mind that while this is a joyous event, the promises you are making are serious and life-altering commitments. So, Wylie, do you welcome Katrina as your wife, promise to love and to respect her, to share your life and your dreams, to build with her a home that is a place of love, happiness, commitment, and growth?
I do.
Do you promise to be a companion to her in all her successes and failures, her happiness and sadness, to always give to her your unwavering support, and above all else, the freedom to be herself? Do you, Katrina, welcome Wylie as your husband, promise to love and to respect him, to share your life and your dreams, to build with him a home that is a place of love, happiness, commitment, and growth? Do you promise to be a companion to him in all of his successes and failures, his happiness and sadness, to always give him your unwavering support, and above all else, the freedom to be himself? Now, we'll do the exchange of rings. Oh boy, I thought I was in trouble there. Okay. Okay. The wedding ring's circular shape reflects the unending power of love, a force with no beginning and no end. These rings are a symbol that proclaim to the world that you share a love with another and that you are deeply connected in the bond of marriage. Wear your rings proudly, reminding you every day to happily honor your commitments to each other. You want this one, small one? Wylie, as you place the ring on Katrina's finger, look in her eyes and repeat after me. I give you this ring to wear.
I give you this ring to wear.
As a symbol of my abiding love.
As a symbol of my abiding love.
My eternal faith.
My eternal faith.
And my undying devotion.
And my undying devotion.
It is an outward reminder.
It is an outward reminder.
Of our inner unity.
Of our inner unity.
As you place the finger or the ring on Wylie's finger, that would be better. Look in his eyes and repeat after me. I give you this ring to wear.
I give you this ring to wear.
As a symbol of my abiding love.
As a symbol of my abiding love.
My eternal faith.
My eternal faith.
And my undying devotion.
And my undying devotion.
It is an outward reminder.
It is an outward reminder.
of our inner unity. Now, Pedro has an announcement.
So, once we're done, please go and grab a drink. Come back here. So we're going to do a toast for the newly married. So that's it.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
No, it's
Not yet.
So, by the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church and by the state of Washington, I am pleased to pronounce Wylie and Katrina as husband and wife, sealed together today, both in law and in love. Now you may kiss.
One more.
With abiding confidence and affection, we send you forth on your journey of life together. May you be filled with thanks and wonder, humor and fun, hope and perseverance, so that you may grow together in wisdom and grace. And now, it is with great pleasure that I present to you, for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Wylie Harper.
So please go and grab a drink. Whoever doesn't have one. Everyone has a drink? I can take one without a drink. Go and come back. Pídeme